And the fact is, these data centers require a massive and ever-increasing amount of energy. At Samsung, we decided to tackle this challenge. So we created more sophisticated memory components for these data centers. Components that once again deliver increased speed while using less memory. We are replacing hard disk drives with new solid-state drives, an essential part of Samsung's green memory solution. This solid-state drive is based on Samsung's advanced flash memory technology. It's a solution that offers our customers and every end user more of what they want. In fact, we tested green memory solution by running multiple applications and processing thousands of transactions per second. And I'm happy to report that we observed improved processing performance, 6 times faster and using 26% less electrical power than current solutions. What I found most amazing was that if every data center in the world switched to Samsung's green memory solution, in 1 year, we would save 32 billion kilowatt hours, enough to light up all of New York City for 6 months. Again, it's a story of fantastic balance, performance in harmony with energy efficiency. To share more about the benefits of faster and more efficient memory, I have invited one of our most important key customers from Hewlett-Packard, Trevor Schick. Welcome, Trevor.
Thank you, Stephen. It's great to be part of your keynote today. Every 7 to 10 years, technology delivery undergoes a tectonic shift, one that opens up new business and access models to information. A shift that changes the way technology is consumed and used, a change in what is possible. Today, mobility, social media, big data, and the advent of cloud computing are representative of such shifts. If you look to the past, we see similar periods of dramatic industry evolution, times when a new generation of technology takes hold and significantly advances the way we work and live. Now we have the advent of cloud, big data, and mobility, which promises to be an even bigger shockwave this time. And data centers are going to be the key to delivering fast, smooth, and a seamless user experience to an increasingly mobilized world built on cloud computing and data services. Today, cloud services have become one of the most important pillars of the mobile era. It's going to change the game for enterprise computing. So what does this mean? Well, every day, 20,000 servers are shipped to data centers worldwide to power our connected society. This explosive growth marches on, and it's estimated that by 2013, the world needs 34 million servers, which will consume 167 billion kilowatt hours per year. The server number is expected to continue to grow and be greater than 39 million installed servers by 2015. HP and Samsung have partnered as part of HP's Proactive Insight Architecture Alliance, which has delivered HP Smart Memory. When this memory is plugged into an HP ProLiant Gen 8 server, it'll run 25% faster and utilize 20% less power. But now let's imagine if we were able to reduce that energy and save costs by slashing these colossal requirements by 50 or even better, 90%. Innovating and improving the performance of the data center is central to HP's vision of future as a business. And utilizing HP's converged infrastructure is central to that success. You know, it's not every day that disruptive technology comes along and changes the face of computing and IT as we know it. But HP's Project Moonshot is one of those paradigm-changing technologies to support the tectonic shifts taking place in the industry. It's a technology that's been transferred from HP Labs and is turning research into real innovation and differentiated value. the potential benefits are significant. For those companies delivering web services, social media, and simple content delivery applications, Project Moonshot will help them share resources, including storage, networking, management, as well as the power and cooling across thousands of servers, incorporating more than 2,800 servers into one rack, radically reducing management complexity by 97%, consuming 89% less energy, and reducing the overall cost by 60%. Leveraging these future DRAM and non-volatile memory technologies will allow HP, together with Samsung, to head towards green solutions to promote the good of the public. At the same time, we endeavor to enhance the user experience for future mobile end users by improving performance of cloud services and minimizing the environmental impacts. Thank you.
Thank you, Trevor. Thank you.
Thank
you. Now, we have talked about processors and memory and the possibilities hidden deep within our devices. Equally important are the components which we see and touch every day. I'm talking, of course, about displays. Display technology determines how we experience and interact with our mobile device world. The display is where advancements become more tangible, where we see, touch, and experience possibility. Here to tell us more about the big steps we are taking in display, please welcome my Samsung colleague, Brian Berkeley. Welcome, Brian.
Thanks, Stephen. It's great to be here. I want to talk a little bit about the trends we've been seeing in the display industry. Just like processors, displays have been involved in an intense competition. In this case, a pixel war. On screen, you can see how rapidly the quality and resolution of LCDs has been increasing. It's a trend that has swept across the entire industry, from the smallest mobile devices to larger displays. But if I had to pick one area where LCD advances have captured the hearts and minds of consumers, it would have to be tablets. And Samsung is leading the way. Our 10.1-inch LCD for tablets is currently available on Google's Nexus 10. And it provides unsurpassed image quality. It offers the world's highest resolution tablet display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600, our screen puts over 4 million pixels in the user's hands. That's about 1 million more pixels than was previously available. It creates crisper text, more vibrant HD movies, and crystal clear photos that come to life in breathtaking detail.
That photo looks incredible, stunningly beautiful. And that's the highest pixel density ever seen in a tablet, right?
That's exactly right. 300 pixels per inch.
Wow, that's great.
And you can expect it to get even better in the near future. We're currently developing a new 10.1-inch LCD that consumes 25% less power. This kind of innovation is critical to mobilizing the possibility of better displays for better mobile devices. And, as I mentioned, this trend toward higher resolution is rapidly spreading to larger displays. These advances will establish new benchmarks in LCD performance for notebook PCs as well.
Now, everyone is probably wondering what this will do to their battery life. Just as you saw with our latest Exynos processor, Samsung component innovation delivers advanced display performance while actually lowering power consumption. We are implementing a new pixel structure that will allow us to deliver even better image quality and even better battery life. We are calling it Green LCD.
At Samsung, we are equally excited about the possibility of mobilizing the possibilities of OLED display technologies. When it comes to displays, OLEDs deliver the ultimate screen experience with more vivid colors, much deeper blacks than any other displays. They're super thin and lightweight. Because OLEDs produce their own light, they don't require a thick, heavy, power-consuming backlight. And now, thanks to Samsung technology, they can be flexible as well. We're so confident about the market potential of flexible OLEDs, we're creating an entire new line of them under the UM brand name. UM doesn't just bend the rules of display technologies, it completely rewrites them. Take a look at this flexible OLED prototype. Our team was able to make a high-resolution display on extremely thin plastic, so instead of glass, so it won't break even if it's dropped, and we can actually bend the screen. Imagine the products you could design with this.
That's amazing.
It really is. I brought something else here today. Have a look at this bended UM prototype device. Do you see how the screen curves beyond the edge of the display, around here? With this bended display, we have expanded the canvas available for content. Content can now flow along the sides of the device. So, for example, if I receive an important message, I can see it come through while the device is flat on the table in front of me. This new form factor will really begin to change how people interact with their devices and opening up new lifestyle possibilities. And it's only going to get better. This kind of display technology is going to allow our partners to create a whole new ecosystem of devices. Devices with bended, foldable, and rollable screens.
That's very exciting, Brian. Now, let's take a look at how this new display future might play out.
Hey, big dog. What up, what up? Hey, what's up with you and Carla? Has she left you yet? Oh, she did. Hello? Hello? Look at my tablet. Technology, it's my thing.
Whoa, I need to get going.
Wow, that's amazing.
Oh.
Can I see that?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
All in a day's work for Samsung.
Awesome. Hey, you should join me for coffee sometime. It's my card.
Cool.
Hey, if we're handing out business cards.
Bye.
Bye. Ugh, I thought he'd never leave.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Not so long ago, these shape-shifting displays seemed out of reach. But now, that is no longer the case. Brian, thank you for your time today. Thank you.
Thank you, Stephen.